Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany, and today we're going to plan out the week of January 13th through the 19th. I have a kit from Fern Creek Stickers. This is kit 238. I have the pattern boxes, the sidebar, the date headers, the full boxes, very cute, and then the essentials page. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. We're supposed to get snow this week. Well, it's actually supposed to start on Friday. So, yay for us. I live in Indiana, so it is always pretty cold here. We always get a lot of the snow. So I'm just going to tear that off. And then we'll do the other side. It was really cold. Today's Thursday. It was really cold this morning. It took like 4 tries to get my car to start. It's like 9 degrees outside. Very, very cold. Alright. That in there. And then we'll go ahead and do the date headers. I'm going to take this thin washi and put it on the dates on the planner. And then I'm going to put the date headers in that little blank spot. So it's not going to cover up the whole box. I'm just going to kind of put it right in the middle as best as I can. Like so. Nothing too much is going on this week besides wrestling and gymnastics. I do have a nail appointment. Get my Christmas nails off. So that should be good. Alright. I'm going to take this Monday. I'm going to put it right in the middle of this big blank space up there. And then take this one right in the middle. Like that. That looks good. Okay. So for the sidebar, trying to decide which, I think I am going to use this one on the essentials page. That says Let It Snow. So I need a second line. Perfect. And then I'm going to do this tracker here for my steps. And then I'm going to take this little torn piece here. And then I did grab some scripts here. This is from Simply Smith Stickers. Do that. And then I'm going to use this little one for my to-dos. On this line here. Now, I don't know if I want to do dots or if I want to use the actual box, because I don't know. I think I'm just going to do these little dots. I don't think I have a ton to do this week. So we'll just put these 5 down. Like that. And then I am going to take one of these bigger pattern boxes and use it for what book I'm reading. I did just finish one of my books I was reading, so I get to start another, and she does have a reading script on here. So I'm going to put that here. That looks good. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get into the planning. So Monday my husband works. I'm going to use these little scribbles again, like these. So go ahead and put all 3 of these across. Like that. Okay, so Monday he works. Tuesday and Wednesday I work. I had to go in once this weekend on my day off, and then they just called me in to do Sunday. I don't know if I'm going to do it yet because I have a lot of housework to do. we'll see. And then we're going to put this for school. All the way across. My kids are already asking what day, when's the next break. I think they enjoyed their little winter vacation. I was like, well, you get next Monday off of school. That's about it. And then as far as things in the evening, we have dance and then wrestling. So let's see. Dance is at 5. Wrestling is at 5:45. So we'll just put this one there. Wrestling and dance like that. And then I don't know if I have enough boxes to do my home health guy, so I'm just going to leave that blank just for until we're done, and then we'll come back to it. Tuesday we don't have anything. Wednesday we have wrestling. Here. Like that. And then Thursday, let's do our work schedule. And it's my Saturday to work, so I work 2 to 10. And then back up in the morning. Go ahead and put that down. Work. Like that. And then Thursday, I'm getting my nails done at 10:30. So I'm going to use one of these bigger boxes because it takes a while. And I just have a little nail icon. And then nothing Thursday. Friday, we have dance and then gymnastics. So I'm going to put this here for dance, and then one more for gymnastics. Today's Thursday, so tomorrow will be her first class of the session, so she's super excited about that. Alright, and then Saturday I'll work, and then Sunday I'll work. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dang it, I really need 6. What to do. I'm trying to think. Let me put this weekend banner down. I like putting it down here in the washi. Maybe I can alternate those, although I don't like doing that. But it seems like that, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the only option, unless I take these up. I feel like I did this last time. And then put these little tear strips. Use it like that. These are super cute too. So then we can use these all across the bottom. Then we'll have enough. Okay. And I don't work on Saturday there because I have to work at my other job. So I will put these in. And then let me do the school while I'm over here. Kind of all over the place. That's how my brain works, if you're wondering. So we got school and school. switch these up. See, now I have 2 of those. I think we'll just leave those boxes because we have 3 left on this page. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. And then the only other thing I have is on Wednesday when I go to work, I have to do our weigh-in, our 2-week weigh-in for our challenge. So I'll put that. It's a different kind of blue, but it's okay. I think that's from Simply Smith Stickers as well. So I need to do that. And then we have a trash day. That's on Monday. That there. And then payday is on Friday. Put that up at the top. Like so. And then my cleaning day will probably be Thursday. So we can put that in here. I get it done. No, I know myself. Well, it's at 10:30. I might be able to get some done. I just like to vacuum the floors and make sure everything's off of it in the morning, so that'll be fine. Grocery shop I'll do Monday. So let's do it on this torn piece here. There we go. Even though I like to go on Wednesdays because I shop at Aldi, so like the new stuff that is coming to their shop comes on Wednesdays. All right, let's see what these full boxes are. I like this one. And then let's do a brown. Don't know how to ice skate, but they are super cute. Go up a little bit. And then we'll do this door. Like so. And this house is really cute. Put that down here. Well, I'm gonna pretend it's hot cocoa, but I'd rather drink coffee. And then I don't have a fireplace, but this is super cute as well. And I'm ripping it. Hopefully it still sticks. Oh, I do have, well, we might have hit. I don't know. I'll have to check this calendar. That'll be at 9. Ooh, do I want to do that? Do I want to put it down here? We'll put it all the way down here because I will be working. And then the last one, let's do the snowflake. Put it up here. Cute. All right, let's see. Anything else? Don't think so. I gave my dog a bath last week. I'll give you a little glimpse of how last week is turning out. Like I said, it is Thursday night right before bed. But I gave my dog a bath today. We went to eat with my mom and stepdad. Can't wait for Saturday. We're going to this place. They do laser tag and has like a ninja course for my son. He just turned 11. And then, of course, cleaning. And then my friend Shanna's coming over because we decided we're going to take a cruise. So we got to discuss what we're doing. But that's pretty much it. Just working out this week and working. That's going to be it for this plan with me. Short and sweet and to the point. Not much is happening. I do have to, let me put this to do in because baseball and softball signups are this week. So I need to do that. Softball, baseball, so that we can try to get on the same team as last year. But again, this kit is from Fern Creek Stickers. She is not, well, I don't know. Her shop might still be open for a little bit, but she's definitely closing down for a while, maybe more. I don't know. I'm not 100% sure, but I did snag. I think next week I'll be using the kit from her as well because I did grab 4, I believe. But that is going to be it for this plan with me. Check Instagram later for how it kind of turned out, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.